Get a feel for the 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Answer the call to adventure in refined luxury in the Grand Cherokee. It brings rugged versatility, advanced safety features, and passenger-focused technology along on every journey. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, fog lamps, heated mirrors, backup camera, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth connection, alarm, steering wheel audio controls. Rugged versatility meets high-tech luxury in the Grand Cherokee. Get behind the wheel today.